Okay, so now we're going to have a look at how you would prepare a signal to input it into a board. So say for example we think about a small signal amplifier. So say you were asked to set up a signal that was meant to be a kilohertz, 1000 hertz, and have a peak value of say something small like 40 millivolts. So the first thing you'd have to do would be to connect your scope to your signal generator. So the output you should use for your signal generator is this main output here. That's the one you choose. These are my ends for my signal generator here. And I'll connect onto channel 1 for my scope. Now I'm going to take these two ends and connect my red to my red and my black to my black. I'll just leave them down there just now. 1000 hertz, so I'm going to set this up on here. 1000 hertz. Not bad, 1001 hertz. Nah, I think that was probably about as good as it was going to be. Okay. This isn't bad, I can kind of see that, but I might want to shove this out a wee bit. No, that's made it so it's too big, I can't see my full wave here. So I'm going to take that in, and I'm going to verify that that is 1000 hertz. So 1000 hertz. So I've got, going from here where it crosses through, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full boxes. 5 boxes. My time base is 200 microseconds. It's me 1 times 10 to the minus 3, so 1 millisecond from a periodic time. 1 over that gets me 1000 hertz. So that is a kilohertz. But at the moment, we're on 100 millivolts per division. So that's 100, 200, 300, about 350 millivolts peak. We want something that's about 40 millivolts peak. So to change this, you change the amplitude here. So that one that says amplitude, that's the one that changes this peak value here. And as I change it, I'll change my volts per division. So that's not quite centred, I'll recenter it as I go. So now I'm down to 50 millivolts per division, so that's 50, not quite 100, not quite 2 full boxes, but still far too big. Now when I've got to that, that's the smallest I can go with that setting on my signal generator. So I'm going to move it back up, and I'm going to use this attenuator. This is for making signals that are a lot smaller. So now I should be able to take that away down. Again, I'm going to centre it, and I'm going to adjust this. And I want 40 millivolts peak. You see the noise starts to come in a wee bit more. And I think that is not far off of being 40 millivolts peak. Let's get that fully centred. And you can also stop it so you can measure it. So there it is. There's my 1 full wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes at 200 microseconds. That's what gave me my 1000 hertz. 20 millivolts per division. So starting at that midline, 20 millivolts, 40 millivolts. So I've got 40 millivolts peak, and if that's what you required for your input to your small signal amplifier, then this would be my input ready to put into my board for my small signal amplifier.